Sahib, I am from America, most prestigious nation, Bangali. I am from West Bengal, a state in India. Sahib, okay. Then you must also have a state called East Bengal, Bangali. We had. Now it is called Bangladesh. It is not a state, it is a separate nation. Sahib, West Bengal a state, East Bengal a nation. Very confusing. Do you have North Bengal and South Bengal? Bangali, certainly, but they are in West Bengal. Sahib, oh my God. North Bengal and South Bengal are in West Bengal, but East Bengal a nation. Very confusing. Bangali, we also have Vishwa Bangla, which means whole world is in Bengal. সাহেবের প্রেশার বেড়ে খাম শুরু। বাঙালি, moreover we have Bangla, cost ₹80. It means Bengal in battle. সাহেব অজ্ঞান।